stadiums are more than buildings. They are cathedrals of football, temples of passion, and once-in-a-lifetime experiences. Today, we're counting down the 10 best stadiums every fan must visit before they die. Let's go. What makes a stadium legendary? It's not just concrete and steel. It's the chants that shake the walls. The history that lingers in the air, and the architecture that creates a theater for unforgettable moments. At Anfield, hearing 50,000 fans sing, "You'll Never Walk Alone," will give you chills.
You'll never walk alone.
In Buenos Aires, La Bombonera's steep stands make it feel like the crowd is right on top of you. These atmospheres don't just host football, they define it. With over 99,000 seats, Camp Nou is the largest stadium in Europe. Home to FC Barcelona, it's where legends like Messi and Ronaldinho left their mark. The sheer scale, combined with the passion of Catalan fans, makes it an unforgettable pilgrimage. The Maracanã isn't just a stadium. It's a stage for world football history, from Pele's glory days to dramatic World Cup finals. This iconic ground embodies Brazilian flair and joy. Visiting during a derby, pure electricity. The home of football, Wembley is where dreams are made. The arch dominates London's skyline. And inside, the atmosphere is unmatched during England matches and cup finals. It's not just a stadium, it's a symbol of football itself. A modern marvel, Allianz Arena is famous for its color-changing facade, and its fierce Bayern Munich supporters. At night, it feels alive, an architectural masterpiece that's become a fortress for German football. Few stadiums have hosted moments as iconic as the Estadio Azteca. From Maradona's magic in 1986 to modern-day battles, this stadium with 87,000 fans is a cauldron of noise and history. But it's not just the giants. Some hidden gems belong on your list. Signal Iduna Park in Dortmund, with its legendary yellow wall, is the loudest, most intimidating stand in football. And the San Siro in Milan, a cathedral of Italian football. It's set to be demolished soon, which makes visiting even more urgent. This might be your last chance. Of course, visiting these stadiums isn't just about the match. It's about being a smart fan. Want the best view? At Anfield, the cop end. At the Maracanã, join the home ultras for non-stop singing. And don't forget to plan your travel. Tickets, transport, and timing make all the difference. Think of it as your ultimate fan survival kit. So, which stadium is on your bucket list? Drop it in the comments, and we might feature it in our next episode. And if you're planning for the 2026 World Cup, make sure you subscribe. We've got the full Smart Fan Guide coming your way. Until then, keep dreaming, keep traveling, and keep living the beautiful game.